Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to learn the correct pronunciation of the Spanish alphabet. The first is A, and here is its IPA transliteration. A is always A, so in abuela, 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 both the A's are pronounced exactly the same. Other words with A are Ana, amarillo, agua. The next is B. It can be a V or a B, but it is mostly a B. Most native speakers say it like a B. The IPA transliteration can be any one of these. So, burro, burro, burro can be a burro or a burro. The next is fe. This has two distinct sounds. A sound of an S, a sound of a K. S sound sounds different in Spain. In Spain they say tha, the TH as in thing, while in other countries it is a normal S sound. So with the S sound we have cerro, 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 or in Spain they would say ferro, ferro. The Ka sound is in caballo, caballo, caballo. The double L cluster will be discussed later in the video. Next is they. They. The IPA is any one of these, they or they. For example, dólar, dólar, dólar. This they is not like English J, but it is much like the English TH as in that. It is a near approximation of TH sound in English. The next is a vowel, A. A is always A, so whenever you see it, you say A. For example, elefante, elefante, elefante. F, F, it is always F, frijoles, frijoles, frijoles. G. The name of the letter is G, but it is not always a G. It can be a Ga, as in gato, gato. So the G represents the Ga sound and the X represents the G sound. And other times it's ja, as in girasol, girasol, girasol. And the next is H, and it is always silent. So helado, there is no H in helado. It is not helado, it is helado, helado. Iman, 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 iman. J, jirafa, 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 giraffe. Ka, it is simple, but it is not plosive like ka in English. Koala, koala, koala. L, luna, luna, luna. M, mano, mano. N, nube, nube, nube. Ñ, is the ñ cluster in onion, onion. So niña, niña. O, it is always O, but not L, as in English. Snow, go, it is O. Ojo, ojo, ojo. P, pan, which is bread. Q, queso, queso. R, ratón, ratón. The R in the beginning of words is often pronounced with rolling R. So, ratón. Rodrigo, ratón. S, sombrero, sombrero. T, teléfono, teléfono. Uvas, grapes. V, vaca, or vaca. There is no clear distinction between a V and a B in Spanish, so you might hear vaca, you might as well hear vaca. V double. This letter is not so common in Spanish words because it is used mostly in foreign words like Washington, kiwi. X. The sound it produces is C or G. Xilófono. In Mexico, the X is G, México. Y. Yo-yo. Z, much like fe, Z can be pronounced two distinct ways as fa or sa. In Mexico, they say fa. In Spain, for example, they say fa. So zapatos can be zapatos, zapatos. Then there are some special Spanish letters, or you might call them Spanish consonant clusters. CH is J. Double L is called double. The double R's can be double R or simply R. The first one, J, churro. L double or EJ, lluvia. It is pronounced like the Y, lluvia. And the famous Spanish double R, double R, rolling R, perro. So this was it, guys. Keep your eyes peeled for the rules we are going to study for the J and the C sounds in the next video.